It's really scary starting your own business, and self-doubt can just hold you back because you just wish that you could know, is it going to work? Will it fly? That's actually the name of this book. I've got it in ebook format, this book by Pat Flynn. And what Pat does is he runs through a series of simple tests so that you don't go and just start an idea, start a business without knowing, how can I test it first? How can I test that there really is a market for this? Now, what a lot of us do is we either come up with an idea and throw in a lot of time into it, learn a lot about it, and then we launch it, but then we don't really launch it. And a lot of us just procrastinate. And that's what this book really will help you do. He's got all of these tests, and Pat has got a wealth of experience with starting businesses, with passive income things, with a whole lot of areas that he draws on, where he has the airport test, the history test, the shark bait test, a lot of different tests that you can do to say, hey, is this business going to work? Is this really a good idea? Or is it maybe something that is not really going to fly? Now, it's not a guarantee that your business is going to work, but this book will really help you. And what Pat has is this flight simulator, and he has these case studies so that you can see, how do other people do it? How did they work through all of the failures? How do they work through the setbacks? How do they pivot their business to head to a different audience if they need to, a different market or a different offering? So will it fly? How to test your next business idea so that you don't waste your time and money, by Pat Flynn. You will find it in audio format and in format of Kindle, which is what I've got. And of course, you can get the physical book as well. Will It Fly by Pat Flynn.